your boy. So pretty much I got the printed out the manual from Honda, just to help me out a little bit. Couple things you're gonna need obviously is cable ratchet, well not cable, you're gonna need ratchet, 12 14 props, and then 10mm, because obviously Japanese, so it's not gonna be 13. Gun will be useful, and then they start taking apart. Obviously, you need some to put them bolts and all the parts. I mean box, any separator, kind of keep yourself organized. Took off the fork, and then kind of the, well, I don't know what you call it, thrust bearing, thrust release bearing for the clutch. Squeaky as you can hear. Crusty, as I would say, but better be called crusty. So gonna be taking off the brackets over here. We've got some sensors over here, probably reverse sensor and stuff. So I'm going to start off with those. Hopefully there's no leaks. I mean obviously the gearbox is being drained, but hopefully there's no any more further leaks. But as with anything, engines, whatever, there's always going to be some amount of leak, so to be expected. So you got a sensor. There we go, nice. Yep. That's the reverse switch, nice and handy. So that's off. 12mm for the brackets. Trying to keep the bolts inside the bracket makes life easier when you put things back together, so those bolts are exactly for that matter. 10mm, take this over here. If a bolt doesn't come off and sticks on the socket, just thread it back on a little bit and give you a little bit of a wiggle, and then it comes off. Obviously rust. And then make sure with rusted bolts you get the socket all the way in, because if you don't, then you're gonna end up rounding the head of the bolt, and then that's gonna be a pain in the ass to get it off. Plus, it's gonna be damaged. Let me just get back in the extension with this one. There you go. So there's that one. Some parts might see some paint, as you can see over here, the rust and everything. So take this one off. Probably gonna have to break this off, or break this seal off. So obviously my proper tools are at work, so I'm using whatever leftovers I have at home. So there we go. Just trying to be gentle with everything. That's probably gonna be preload bolts in there, so take off those off. Yeah. So you can see you got this like bolt, and then obviously the spring goes in there, and then it's got like a little bolt detent. If I can get my magnet to show you. Where's my magnet? Oh, my magnet is too big to actually get inside there. So hopefully with a smaller screwdriver I can there you go, that's the ball D10 that basically keeps it in gear without coming out. Washer, this one will come. Need like a one trick you can do, might work, is stick a magnet on your screwdriver, and then the screwdriver becomes a little bit magnetic, obviously because of the force. You know, it's not that strong, but gets the job done. There you go, comes off. So that's washer, spring, and then D10, washer, spring, D10, same as in the other side. Make sure you don't lose those, otherwise you're screwed. That's that. So once that's done, what we'll do, this one won't come off, we'll flip the gearbox other way around. Got like a little piece of wood because the shaft sticks out so it doesn't touch the ground. So put these on here. Put this one like so. There you go. Hopefully no oils come out. We don't want that. I can see some oil starting to come out, so that's bad news. Shit. So there we go. I need a ratchet on that one. Yeah. Leverage, people. Leverage. So I believe that's the locking tool for this, and then this should come out. There you go. That's the baby. Make sure you don't lose anything. So that's off. That's right. 10. $12 there you go. Let's use a ratchet for this one. Use a ratchet for that one. Might as well finish off with the ratchet. So essentially what the goal is, well, maybe eventually, we'll see how things go, is rebuild the gearbox if it doesn't come too expensive to rebuild. Put an LSD, and then swap it with my other gearbox that's already inside the Type R, because I can't take that one out and then leave you like that, because I'm using the car as a daily for work, hence why I got this one. It's a bit longer. That one goes over there, so I need to remember that one. All the bolts in there. Okay, I can't see anything else. That's clamping the gearbox together. So we're gonna attempt and break the case free. Obviously without breaking anything. Someone's broken something over here, so something to be aware of on there. Might need that one. Good thing I got Milwaukee compressor. spring pliers. Make sure you got all the tools you need, people. Life would be a lot easier if you had the tool you need. Which in my case, I don't. Something stronger. We're in business. So the angle of the dangle, there you go. Oh, case off. There she is, Va. Put this somewhere that it won't fall and then get scratched to shit and all that. There she is. Ooh, don't like that one. I see some schmoo over there, so that's not a good sign on the bearing.